Anapay Attention TV ahwefo ne adofo nyina ye mobibia good morning biemba Attention TV eni die mu eni dedika ye danya eni dedika won so pay Attention TV so a Mr. wa wo hwe yi a na wa like ya my wate na wasanso subscribe aba ye channel no sesenia ne ekoso ma Ghana nsem atwaguo nyina won so wo benya bidi ebia to kotodwema won so nkoto esen anase ohabia enam Ghana no because intention so na sese nyina ye nam a ye de boy bra
esa Accra ha mo fa uba mo ye Sted mo ka we uba driver ni awa be si ma me bia okọ obefro bus akọ ekumase oba no we wia no boko ha oso kọ boko wa be wia no 10 million uba driver no ka ni am police for chede si o VIP ano oye kro ntimo mu fro ka na mo ye a police for mo hwa de o kan kura no oye ade oye bad boy enti normal plate kura nyi akire mo ye mo wonu oda police station me ko akọ video so asa akire mo Uba driver no police station eh oye for we mu so ya mo se mu we mu na be good taxi for aduma no enso kro no kwa na mo bo we mu na be good taxi etra eye boni odi ntina o mu hu eh wa we wia wa ko wia ma me bi o wa wia ma me poso
But to us also I'm still only for man I will
So this is how I was almost, I don't know, kidnapped or whatever on Monday, last Monday. So I was going to work and then I ordered for a ride on Bolt. When the driver got there, I realized the car fits the description given by the app, but then it had no number plate. So I saw the driver calling. I answered and I was like, "Oh, I can't see you." And he's like, "I'm here." So I went like, "Is that your car without a number plate?" And he said yes. So that got me scared. So when I got closer to him, I was like, "Well, I'm scared because your car has no plate." And he's like, "I should check in the boot. It is there." And I'm like, but how are you able to drive in town without a plate? First, he gave me a reason that somebody crashed his car and the plate removed. I was like, okay, if someone did, then at least there should be one left because the person didn't crash from both ends. And then he later said he went to spray the car, so that's why there is no plate. But then I can check the boot, it is there. I didn't bother to check because sometimes you may try to open and before you realize it, they have done whatever they want to do to you. So I sat in the car, but a voice spoke to me, "Get down." And he had wanted to start the trip, so we had not even spent 30 seconds, and I was like, "No, I don't think I can go. I want to alight." And he said, "Okay, if I will alight, then I will pay him before I leave." And I told him, "Look, I don't have a problem paying you. You let me alight. I'm not going." And this guy slowed down as if he's about to stop the car. But when he was in the course of doing that, he was like, "You don't worry. But it's 65 cedis, so you don't worry. You let's go. I don't mind. You let's go. No problem." Well, I kept quiet. So when like a minute into the journey, I was like, "No, let me check." I checked and I realized that he had actually cancelled the trip, so we were doing off trip. And I asked him, "Bro, are we doing off trip?" He said yes, and I'm like, "No, I'm not doing off trip. Let me alight." He said no. Hey, from this junction of Encore barrier, and we were going towards that route to Accra, and I was like, "Bro, if you don't make me alight, if we get into the traffic, I am going to scream, make noise, and tell everybody that you are trying to kidnap me." And that was when this guy stopped and told me that I have to pay him 20 cedis for that short distance. And I gave him his 20 cedis. He left and I boarded another one.
Accra.